Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to place the MEMS sensor on the Samsung washer. Need a couple different tools for the job. We'll leave those listed in the description below. Let's get started. The MEMS sensor senses vibrations and shocks from the washer. When the sensor fails, it can cause an 8E, 8E1, or 8E2 error code. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the washer. With access to the back of the washer, now we will need to remove this back cover panel by removing the 4 Phillips screws. Then slide it up and tilt the bottom out and pull down to remove. Now, untwist the wire tie. Then, disconnect the electrical plug by depressing the locking tab. Now, remove the 2 Phillips screws and pull the sensor off. If you have a bad MEMS sensor and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. To install the sensor, align the holes and reinstall the 2 screws. Next, reconnect the electrical connector. Then, redo the wire tie. Reinstall the back cover panel by inserting the top tabs at an angle, tilting the bottom down, sliding down, and installing the screws. Now, plug the washer back in and test it out to make sure that everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.